by thoroughly wiping the edge of the bathtub with one of the cleaning cloths supplied. And leave it to dry for at least 2 minutes. Position the self-adhesive corner pieces to create defined corners for the seaming tape. Firmly adhere a single piece of Schlüter-KERDI-TS to the bathtub. The marking line serves as an indicator for the minimum installation depth of 5 mm, measured from the top of the installation strip up to the top edge of the bathtub. Remove the protective foil on the self-adhesive sound insulation strip during installation. It is recommended to pre-fold the seaming tape in the corner areas. Trim any overhanging seaming tape with a pair of scissors or a cutter. Now position the bathtub and securely fix it in place. Fold the seaming tape down and use masking tape to attach it to the edge of the bathtub. This will protect it whilst Schlüter-KERDI-TS adhesive is applied to the adjoining areas. Apply the 2-component sealing adhesive Schlüter-KERDI-TS to bond the seaming tape to the wall. Apply Schlüter-KERDI-TS to the wall above the edge of the bathtub and comb it with a notched trowel. The trowel notch size should be 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 mm. Fully embed the anchoring fleece of Schlüter-KERDI-TS in the adhesive. Use of a smoothing trowel to push it down is recommended. Remove any excess sealing adhesive. Clean the joint area with one of the cleaning cloths supplied. And leave it to dry for at least 2 minutes. The edge of the bathtub can be covered with masking tape to protect the surface. Now fill the joint with the installation adhesive Schlüter-KERDI Fix, finishing level with the top edge of the bathtub. Replacing the silicone joint around the edge of the tub later on can cause damage to the waterproofing layer beneath. To prevent damage from cutting out the old silicone compound, Schlüter-Systems offers the optional cutting protection profile Schlüter-KERDI CP. It is cut to size, pre-folded, and is simply embedded in the freshly applied Schlüter-KERDI Fix, then later in tile adhesive. As a maintenance-free alternative, perimeter joints can also be created with the connection profile Schlüter-KERDI-TS.